Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my stock info YouTube channel. This is my first video on the share market. In market, I am the stock. I have done the Elliot stock analysis of the few charts and the indexes for for the traders and those who want to learn the Elliot analysis. You can contact me on this number 78599627709. So let's start with the Elliott wave analysis. So basically, what is the Elliott wave analysis? The one scientist who discovered this Elliott wave principle, Elliott wave theory, and it is known as a well-known Elliott wave analysis, and it is very effective and efficient to predict the market condition, the future prediction, and know the where the market will go, or the stock will reach. And it is a very simple analysis and anyone can learn and predict, but only problem is that to count the waves, like, so I show you the elite wave analysis. So this is the elite wave pattern. Basically there are the five wave patterns and eight three wave pattern. So the first five waves are known as the motive waves, and then this next three waves are known as the corrective waves. So now I'm showing this is the bullish trend pattern, and reversal of this it is known as a bearish trend pattern. In this wave pattern, you have to count just first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave. These are the called as the impulsive waves, and the after the fifth wave there is starting the correction or consolidation in the market or this any index or stock, and this is known as the corrective wave or consolidated wave. So in the deep study it takes time. I'm going to introduce just these are the motive wave mode, and we can see this kind of the pattern in very different index and the stocks, and you just have to count that wave, and you can predict and easily get the target where the market will be heading. So now I'm just going to introduce use this. I will upload the detailed analysis how to count the wave, and after later videos. Second, I have done couple of the studies of the index and stocks. So this is I'm going to start with the Dow Jones, because our market is totally depend upon the US market. Mostly because of the US market, we will follow US market trend is follow all over the world, and India is the most affected country when because of the US market. So first we will analyze is where the US market is going to head, and so can assure our Indian indices will go in that direction or in the different direction. So Dow Jones, I have done elite wave analysis on this monthly chart. This is for the long term investor. Always do the analysis of the long term, but it is just because of the to get the what is the trend, which trend this market is following. It is a bullish trend, bearish trend, side trend, and which where we are, which phase we are. So from the monthly chart analysis of the Dow Jones, it is clearly showing that it is a bullish trend, and it may soon reach, you see, the level of 41,669 on Dow Jones. So next analysis of I have done the next analysis for the daily trader, intraday trader, swing trader, and long term trader, to where the market will you we will see in couple of days or a couple of weeks. So by the daily chart analysis of the Dow Jones, I I suppose I think that by that Dow is in the consolidated wave, means now in the consolidated wave it is very difficult to analysis. It is going in the side wave or down trend or the uptrend, because the corrective waves are not following the trend. It may be if it is in the bullish trend, maybe in the bullish trend or opposite to bullish trend or in the side trend. Now from this trend, I'm thinking or it is in the side wave, and it is following the ABC pattern soon. So now it is going to start at the B wave, and soon it again touches its high, the 30,000, 35,000, and again it will reach to the bottom level of the current market level. And I am also using the RSI indicator and the MACD indicator to confirm that what we are counting it is correct, or it is achievable or not. So by the daily RSI indexes, it's showing the strength and market is also going upward. So it is clearly indicating that it is the B wave is market. Dow Jones, it is in the forming the B wave. Next, I have done analysis of the Nasdaq on the daily chart. It is clearly seen a market have completed its bullish trend. Now it is in the consolidated or the corrective waves. After the corrective waves, we have to rethink about which phase we are. Either we are following the continuing the bullish trend, or it is a trend reversal and we are and the index will start in the bearish trend. From the RSI indicator and the MACD indicator, it's showing it is going to be in the uptrend, but we will see the where we are heading. And from the Dow, it is confirmed that from the monthly chart it is going in the bullish trend. So we think that it will be next counting on the first second next bullish trend impulsive will be start soon, or it may be started. Now in the weekly analysis, I have seen calculate this. Again we are see this is the ABC pattern, but in the weekly trend it is showing the RSI is in the downside, MACD also downside, and the next past week we see the hammer like candle here. So maybe soon the Nasdaq in the next couple of weeks it will reach the 12,164, and after that it may start the first bullish trend again, or maybe continue to the downside trend. So this is the weekly analysis of Nasdaq 100. Next is the Nifty 50, the daily chart analysis, and I'm counting it the since from the March 2019, from the where the consolidation big correction has been seen. So from that the market is going an upward trend, and it is showing the how the elite waves are working very fine. I'm not calculating this is the third wave, because I have I found this level by the Fibonacci level, so I'm not just considering it is as a third, fourth, fifth, ABC, and like that. Now we see we are continuing seeing the two bullish trend, but now in this zone, so it is clearly in the consolidated zone, and and now it is very hard to saying that market is in the continue bullish trend or the bearish trend, because this is a consolidation zone, and we see this is the market is form is moving in this channel, and this is the ABC, means it is a consolidated wave. or we can say that it is a side wave. When will this completed? I don't know, but soon it will be going to be completed, because I have seen that the this support line is almost broken by the 14,600 support. Now if market is going continue its downtrend, and if this support line is broken, then market will definitely go downside, and we will see the bearish trend start, or we will see the trend reversal, or it may be also happen that market will break this upward side, and it will continue its bullish trend. So on the weekly chart also, it is we have seen that it is the consolidated wave, and more structured consolidated wave we have seen on the weekly chart, not as per the daily chart. So in the weekly chart we see by the RSI it is a downtrend, and this is a consolidation zone. So if the market going down and break the 14,000 level, then it will be going to start the downtrend. And this is my analysis. It is not like it is not I'm not saying that it will be 100% sure, but it may be going downside. So this is the weekly prediction, or the long-term prediction for the Nifty. Next, we will see the Reliance Industry daily chart. In the Reliance Industry, I started the counting from this the first way, because I have already done the past analysis in the which wave, so I know this is the first wave, and this you see clearly it is a downtrend in the Reliance, and it is already reaches the third wave target. Then this is the consolidated wave, but it is the side wave of the fourth side triangle. Now this is completed the fifth. Now it is in the ABC, and also we can see that you can see that the Reliance is going in this symmetric triangle. Now my I if I'm calculating both the net wave analysis for the Reliance, and the indicator is showing the upside strength MACD, and the RSI clearly showing it has a strength. So by the triangle we taking the support line of the triangle, the Reliance may soon touch the 18,075, and it takes support and move upside to the 2118. If Reliance is broken this support, it will continue to start its bearish trend soon. Next chart is the LNT. I have done the analysis, and it is clearly seen the LNT already have completed its fifth impulse wave. Now it is in the consolidated or corrective wave, and it has almost completed this is uh, consolidated corrective wave. Now I have seen the broken out of this the channel, and maybe and I'm sure think that the LNT is continuing its a bullish trend after this completing this the corrective wave. So I suggest for the long-term investor you buy LNT. Target, the first target is a 1450, and again we see the second wave at 1347, and will continue for the third wave, the bullish trend. This is the stock analysis of LNT daily chart. I will continue this type of the analysis and upload the video on YouTube. If anyone interested or want my paid services on WhatsApp, I do analysis, give the trading call options. and future and the long term investor also. You can message me on the number 78599627009. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.